How to DM on Instagram. So if you don't have any conversation or messages that has been started yet with a user that you would want to send a message in or DM, then you would need to find your account. For example, I'm gonna go to this account's profile right here. And from here, you can tap here on the message icon. And then from here, you can now start uh, sending message, or you could go here and tap on one of these questions that is suggested by this account, and so on. So this is how you can start a messaging someone right here on Instagram, or DMing someone here if you don't have an conversation or message with them yet. But let's say that you already have one. Then all you have to do is tap here on the messenger icon in the top right. And this is where you'd be able to see all the conversations here on your account. And from here, I'm just going to tap here on this conversation. And in here, you can call this person. This one is for voice call, and this one is for video chat. Next is this one right here on the bottom. So you have your camera button. So this is where you can use your camera to send pictures. And next is here on the message is where you can type your message. So when you type on that, you can now type whatever you'd want and tap here on send. And as you have noticed, we also have this magnifying glass icon. When you tap on that, you'd be able to see stickers, or you could go for effects on your chats and so on. Next is that we have the microphone icon. So that is for voice messages. So this is where you can record or send voice messages and tap on send, and it will now be sent to your chat. Next is the gallery icon. So in there, you'd be able to tap on that, and you can now send any media here from your gallery. Next is you have the sticker icon. So you can tap on that. And then from here, this is where you can send stickers, gifts, and so on. And then you have the plus button. So you can also add location here. You can send your location to your chat. And in that way, they would be able to view your location and know where you are at. So yeah, those are the basics here on DMing on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.